Martina and you're welcome to Journey TV. In this video, I'm going to be giving you business ideas for stay-at-home parents. You're probably a stay-at-home parent because you lost a job, or you're staying at home for your children, or you and your spouse have an understanding for who's supposed to stay at home. Nevertheless, you can make some cash while you're staying at home. All you need to do is to discover something you like or something you're passionate about and convert it into something that's going to generate some level of income for you. So let's go. Yes, you can actually be a personal chef for people. You probably like to cook. You hear people telling you, oh, your food tastes so nice, or you're the best chef in the world, you know how to do this and do that. When it comes to cooking, how do you go about that? You can become a personal chef. Probably some people have mentioned to you that you cook so well, or you have very nice food, or you make very delicious meals. You can start by videoing yourself while you're cooking, making it look very yummy. And then you can do some home deliveries, okay? You can actually let people know that they can place order, and you can tell them how much a pot of soup will cost, or a pot of rice, or whatever you want to make. Or you can ask them that, oh, I just need you to give me 24 hours notice, and then I'll make that home delivery for you. You can go on social media, create a business handle. You will learn about that in other videos of mine. You can go on Instagram, Twitter, and any other social media, promote your brand, and then you're good to go. You're making some money from it already. You can become an author. You probably like to write, or you have this flair, this passion for writing. You can start by writing about something nice or anything. You can actually start writing on any topic. You can start a blog. You can start writing articles for newspapers and the rest of them. You can do a lot of things, and that can generate income. You can write on trending topics, and you can have people, you never know. You can just do something that's going to generate some income when it comes to writing. The third business idea I have to give you is gift basket making business. You can actually start with that. Are you creative? Do you know how to do some nice things with your hands? You probably know how to put some gifts together, and you can make it into, you can turn it into something beautiful that you can deliver to people. Please start that business. Buy a tie, a shoe, a wallet, sunshade, something. Put it together and make it a collection for men. You can even deliver to organizations. You can let them know that you do a lot of gift basket business thing. You can use social media to promote your brand, and then you can make it something that you are making money from. So don't just be creative staying at home and designing your bedroom. Be creative by putting those things together, supplying people. Go on social media, promote your brand. I cannot overemphasize how much you need to promote your brand. So my third tip is gift basket making business. CV or grant writing. You can make money from that. You're staying at home and you probably know how to come up with CVs, write beautiful resumes, you're good at doing research. Please go on. Make some cool cash from building or writing CVs or grants for people. I have had to pay somebody to actually write a CV for me. And this is a stay-at-home parent. So you can imagine if you have over 200 people contacting you for this service at a very affordable price. Trust me, you never know how far you can go. Another business idea is house cleaning. You have a knack for tidiness or cleanliness, and you know how to actually pack or tidy people's environment, or even you can take out the clutters and rebrand that house. Please go into that business. Turn that passion into money. No passion can just go waste like that. You just need to turn it into something productive. You can hire people. Let people know what you do. Give them top-notch delivery services, and you'll be surprised how they'll start recommending you. You're probably staying in one place or in an estate. Let people in your community know what you do. Word of mouth is a very fast way of promoting your business. One person is going to recommend you to another and another. And when they see that you deliver good services, they will always contact you. So house cleaning is another business idea that you might want to run with. Selling thrift wares. You can actually sell thrift wares. Those are the fairly used clothes, shoes, or whatever, bags, any kind of item. Now that is one business that has not properly been harnessed. Okay, a lot of people like to wear something nice, and they probably do not have the amount of money to afford something brand new. You can get very beautiful thrift wear and sell them out, and when people know that you have good things, they'll always patronize you. You can do it from the comfort of your home. You don't need to go anywhere. as a stay-at-home parent, in this time and age, you can get a dispatch rider that's going to deliver those things to any location you want. And you can also promote your business on social media. That's another way to go. Another business idea is music, dancing. You probably have a good voice, or you know how to train people to sing. You're a stay-at-home parent. Why not? You can make money from it. In fact, right now you can teach people virtually how to sing or how to dance. You can teach kids in your environment, your community. You can come over the weekends, or even adults, and you let them know that, oh, I teach people how to sing, I do the voiceovers, and I make people have better voices or become better dancers. You know, that passion or that skill will be productive in the end. You will not just be wasting it or using it for yourself alone. You have been told that you take beautiful shots, you make good pictures, you do a lot of beautiful videos. You can make that something that can generate income for you. You can get a camera if you don't have one and start taking shots. Let people know, let them see the beautiful pictures you have taken over time, or the beautiful videos you have done, and they will always contact you. They contact you over the weekend or on a weekday to take them some shots or do a short video or even a long one. You never know how much you can make from being a photographer or a videographer. Being a website consultant, you know how to design websites or develop websites, and you're a stay-at-home parent for one reason or the other. You can offer your services to people that need it. Go online, become a freelance expert, or just offer that service. Let people know what you do. They'll patronize you, and when you give them good delivery, good customer service, they'll always come running back to you and also recommend other people to you as well. You can also become a wedding planner. You're very good at planning events or organizing things. You can become a wedding or any event planner, so to say, where people come contact you and they're probably busy with their jobs or their lives. Make them know that you are available. Promote your brand online. I cannot overemphasize that. Promote yourself. Let people know what you do. Let your community know what you do. Plan events. You can even volunteer. Start by volunteering in your organization, your church, in your community. Let them see how well you do these things, and you never know, when you're giving back, you end up getting more in return. You can become a virtual tutor, staying at home. We have some students or some children that cannot go to school for one physical disability or for one reason or medical disability or the other. You can become a virtual tutor from your home. You can take up that profession, make a good deal out of it, and then you make some money. You become productive with just being a virtual tutor. You are not living in your house, you are in the four walls of your house and you're making some serious bucks. You can also become a babysitter. You're a stay-at-home mom or stay-at-home dad. You can actually become a babysitter. You can tell people in your community that you are available to take care of their children. Make sure you abide to the rules and regulations and policies that has to do with governing children, that has to do with governing children. Make sure you follow the child safety rules, know the policies of your government or your community before venturing into being a babysitter. So you can actually be a babysitter, hold children while their parents are at work, and you can make some money from that. They are coming to your house, you make sure you take care of them, and with word of mouth, you'll be surprised how much you're going to make just sitting at home and taking care of other people's children. You can actually be a craft seller. Are you good with your hands? You know how to make some stuff like DIYs. You know how to do some very nice things with your hands. Make money from it. You probably know how to do anything. You know how to make gift cards, different things. Make money from it. Let people know what you do. That's one. Then go on to logistics. Logistics is another good business, very good one. You can decide, oh, I'm a stay-at-home parent, I have a car or I have two cars, depending, and I want to employ one of these services, logistics services or car services, to pick up my car and make some money from it. So your car is not just sitting at home and waiting for you to go out in the afternoon, evening. Your car is actually working for you, and while you're stay-at-home parent, you're actually making some money. You can also go into the dispatch rider business and at many more. We have a lot of delivery services everywhere in the world, so you can actually go in. For more business ideas, please stay tuned to my next video where I'll be giving more tips or more business ideas for stay-at-home parents. Remember, If it has to be, it's entirely up to you. Please click on the subscribe bell, the thumbs up button, and also comment if you have questions.